Okay, so what we want to do is create our own icons here, and this is a tutorial on how to do that. What I want to do is, I already have the Home Depots on here and the number of workers. What I want to do is put my subs on the map and have each one of them a different color. I did want to use ESRI's preset point uh, shape files, like the little colored dots. I didn't want to use that, so I'm going to use my own. I'm going to go ahead and import this. It's going to turn out a different color here, and what I'm going to do is put them all in as one color. It has all of them appearing as Home Depots right now. We don't want to use that. We're going to use our own symbol here with copyright issues. Alright, so I'm going to go to, let's see, the correct project. Okay, let's go to here. Alright, so I'm going to just put this one in there and correct the rest of it with Photoshop. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so we put all of them in there like this. Let's make sure everything is correct here. Yes, use consistency rates. This is going to be top 5. What are we doing? This is going to be the top 5. Yeah. Top 5 subs with the highest turnover. Turnover rates. Okay, and we'll play with the size a little bit here because that's too small. Once we get that the right size, we'll just get an image and put in there the other 4 subs.